It's always nice to have a little father-son time in Haulover Inlet where you can really open up the ski, have a little fun, maybe give your son a little bit of whiplash. But you know what? They're out there having a good time, and this is what memories are made of. Welcome back to this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Our first round in Boats vs. Haulover is going to feature a tough call. When I say a tough call, it's because I had a tough time deciding which way to go with this one, whether to give it to the boat or to give it to Haulover. These guys come out of the gate pretty strong. Right here, they're looking pretty good. They're running just about the right speed and really having a good time and cutting through this stuff pretty nicely. But here, as they get close to getting out of Haulover, things become a little more compact and they slow down a little bit and things start flying around the boat. You'll see a couple people start running around collecting items that have fallen off of chairs and things like that. Here, I'm going to wind up giving the round to Haulover, even though this boat did put up a hell of a fight, and it really was a close call and really almost could be a tie going either which way. But we don't really like ties here on BVH, and so we're definitely going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover to start it off. In our second round, we'll go ahead and give the boats a little bit of redemption though, and we're going to do it the easy way. It's not difficult to give the boats an easy win when you get a yacht this size come flying through Haulover. There wasn't much that was going to stop this boat. We could have some serious conditions like the last boat was in, and this boat probably still would have ate them up and spit them out. So here we go. Second round definitely goes to the boats. What a beautiful boat it is. Our third round is going to feature keeping the wives happy. That's right, even the wives like having a good time in Haulover. But one way to spoil a good time in Haulover for the wives is putting them in the bow of the boat as you're trying to come out in a little 19-foot boat. Right here, my man's got the two girls in the front, and they're just having a good old time, but I swear this is the best part. My man's even laughing about it and looking at his buddy and making jokes. These two guys probably got a little bit of a tail kicking from the wives later, but we're definitely giving this round to Haulover. In our fourth round of Machine vs. Mother Nature at Haulover Inlet, we're going to do slow as it goes. Now, I'm pretty infamous for bashing people for coming through Haulover Inlet slower than I think they should come. But my man, even though he's coming through Haulover a little slow, is actually probably coming through at the right pace for this boat. He obviously knows what he's doing as well because he is on the calmer side of Haulover, and this is one heck of a way for the fourth round to go to the boats. Good job right here, man, especially in a boat this size and kind of chop your riding in. And we're going to head into the fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece, and we're going to end this one of my favorite ways with can they hang on. Here in the fifth and final round, the only goal is for Grandma, who has decided to ride in the bow of the boat, to be able to hang on. They're coming through Haulover a little slower once again than I would expect them to, and bam, they're hitting a wave, and it is done. Grandma has hit the floor, and Haulover is going to take the surprise victory this week. They came in just a little bit too slow. They probably should have got that bow up a little more, but right here, Grandma gets airborne. When she comes back down, she can't hang on any longer, and on the floor she goes, and Haulover takes the victory. Thanks for watching this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you enjoyed the video, consider checking out our other two channels. We have Wavy Boats, who has some great footage of Haulover Inlet that we use in these videos. Also, we've got Broncos Guru, which is my personal channel, where we got some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button and hang out with us here also.